I destroyed a camera lens.
You destroyed it?
Not on purpose, but I did destroy a camera lens. So I have this, so I thought maybe we could make a camera.
Is this where the camera lens is gonna go? Right there?
That is the right shape. The lens could go here.
Okay.
But first we need to make a hole in the box.
Do we need a chainsaw?
A chainsaw?
Yeah. A chainsaw.
That seems like a bit much. Can you draw around? Now how do we make a hole?
A butter knife?
A butter knife? A chainsaw or a butter knife? And stick that in there. We need this to stay on there. How might we attach it?
Glue?
Glue? What kind of glue?
Glow in the dark glue?
Glow in the dark glue?
Yeah. I have some glow in the dark glue.
The glow in the dark glue is all dried up. We haven't used it in a while. Let's use a different glue. All right, well then you go ahead and put this in there.
All right.
Just try not to touch that glue.
Is it hot?
We have a lens in the box. We should be able to take a piece of paper.
Yeah, I can get a piece of paper.
You don't need to cut it, just bring it here.
Wow.
If we point this over there where there's light,
Yeah.
we should be able to see an image on the paper. You're in the way of the light.
I can see kind of an image. Yeah. That looks really cool.
If I move this, there we go. You can see the image is right there on the paper, which means that that is where we need the film to be. So we made a thing out of Lego. What is that?
A shutter?
So the film goes inside it. We can open it to expose the film and then shut it again. So this will go in here and then the lid goes on. And then, what's this for?
That's to have no light come in.
To keep all of the light out. And once we have that, we can lift our shutter and close it again. And that should give us a picture. And then I'll have to go in the dark bag. I'll take this off, take this off, take out the little piece of film. Then we have a tiny film developing tank. I don't know if it's gonna work. There's a lot of little things that can go wrong. We'll see. Don't move, okay?
Should I smile?
No, you don't need to smile. I think just...
But we're taking a picture.
Yeah, you don't always smile for a picture, especially when we're doing these like vintage style pictures.
What's vintage?
Vintage is like old.
We're done?
We took our picture. The liquid will go in there, but the light would have to go around this block and around these blocks, and it would have to go under these blocks and over these blocks. So when that's there, liquid can pass through, but light would have to really wiggle around to get into the inside of it. And so we can pour chemicals in there and it'll just develop this one tiny little strip of film.
Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Just take a little bit at a time. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
See if it worked.
Wash it off, right?
I washed it off.
Okay, good. You're not getting chemicals on your hand. Chemicals. Can I see it? Are we supposed to wait for it to dry?
Now there is an exposure on there.